Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add a clock, be it digital or analog, to your workspace and pages on Notion really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to your Notion workspace, and for this you will need to access an external app marketplace called Widgetbox. So head over to it. As you can see, they feature extensions and widgets and apps related to Notion. So click on it, and here in the homepage, log into your account by clicking login here, or sign up with your Google account if you like. And once inside the library here on Widgetbox, use the search bar top left corner, type in clock, and select one of the available clock templates here on the left hand side, like digital clock for example, and select the template you would like to go with. I will go with that one here. So simply click on customize and embed. After that, customize your digital clock a bit. You may, for example, assign a custom background color. So let me go with a standard red like this. You may also choose the text color. So let me keep it at white, and so on and so forth, guys. Once you're ready, click on copy embed URL here at the top. Head back to your page here on Notion and start by entering the command /embed, just like that. Select the uppermost result here. And here simply paste the copied clock URL. So let me do that really quickly. Confirm by clicking on that button there. Wait a brief moment for Notion to finish loading. As you can see, the clock has been added. It is currently 4 p.m. 44 minutes or 16:44 in European time format. So what you want to do, guys, is simply adjust the size and position of the clock if you like. As you can see, you can position it here or resize it. You may also go through a short customization, select the centered alignment or a left to right alignment, and so on and so forth. You may also duplicate it, delete it, leave a comment, replace it, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how you add a clock to your page on Notion. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later.